Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today content is a little bit different today, y'all. I did not feel like recording and all of that, so I am recording this intro video a little bit later than the day that I recorded the video, but it's okay. So anyways, I hope y'all can hear me because the wind is blowing, but I wanted to try these Oyster Rockefeller, like cheap version, like the ones in a can. So that's what we're gonna do today, okay? We get into that.
Subscribe button.